Hi, I'm Dr. Emerson Franchini. Our group will present how to determine the energy systems in sports that are difficult to be reproduced in controlled environments, such as exercise physiology labs.
Each sport has specific characteristics that confer different metabolic demands to them. One of the most important aspects of the metabolic demand is the relative contribution of the energy systems, namely the anaerobic, lactic, anaerobic, lactic, and aerobic. Some sports can be somewhat easily mimicked and therefore studied in a laboratory setting, as they are cyclic and predictable. On the other hand, some sports are unpredictable and dependent on a complex interaction between teammates and/or opponents. This is the case of the majority of team sports and a number of individual sports.
Here, we'll show how the relative contribution of the energy systems can be assessed during exercise. Although the method is suitable to any type of exercise, we will emphasize its adaptation to unpredictable sports. Due to its particular characteristics, judo will be used as an example on how the procedure can be adapted depending on the athlete's movements. Researchers focused on other sports may easily adapt the procedure based on what is shown here.
The following physiological variables will be assessed: rest oxygen consumption,